Why do we not get attached to our hotel room? Why do you not go to the store and buy lots and lots of food and stock it up and furnish it and try to make it look amazing and put all this investment and all these attachments in your hotel room? The reason is very simple. It's because you know that you're only there for a temporary stay and then you're leaving. And it's that mindset that I'm leaving, that makes it easy for you not to get too attached. And that's the reason why you don't invest all this money and all this effort into the hotel room. And then when you leave, does anyone shed a tear because they're leaving their hotel room? Has anyone done that? No. This is the mindset of a traveler. The Prophet ﷺ in his wisdom is advising us to be in this life just like that. We know we're here for a while. And so the mindset is natural that yes, you interact with the dunya, but you know that you're headed somewhere else. It's this concept of what you seek is still beyond. Because when you're on a trip, have you ever been on a trip and stopped at a rest area before? Yes? Now sometimes that rest area isn't the cleanest or the nicest, right? It might not have the best food or the best facilities, but you stop there. Does anyone sit and complain and, try to, make a big fuss? No, you use the facility and you leave. Because you know that it's temporary and you know that it's not a big deal. Why? Because what I seek is still beyond. What I seek is still beyond. My destination is not this rest area. My destination is beyond. We unfortunately are like a people who stopped at a rest area and got amnesia, right? We completely forgot that we're actually headed somewhere else. It's like a person who gets in a car, and what's the purpose of a car? Tell me what's the purpose of a car, other than being shiny and all nice and everything like that. But what's the actual purpose of a car? The actual purpose of a car is to take you from where you are to where you want to go, right? Now what happens if you get in that car and you look around and you get so distracted by the beautiful leather seats, right? It's like you get in the car and you look around and you say, wow, look at these seats. Look at the steering wheel. But this is exactly how many of us are in dunya. Dunya, this whole life and everything in it is like that car. The purpose of it is not for us to stay in it and fall in love with it and get attached to it and try to compete in it. The purpose is for it to take us somewhere. It's just a bridge, right? It's a vehicle. We are so caught up with our money and our status and the people around us and what they think of us that we have completely forgotten what we're doing here.